other thing that saps people's buying power, and there's just an article by the chief economist from the National Association of Realtors, Mr. Young, and he was, again, kind of complaining about how student loans sap the buying power of first-time buyers, and that there's a growing gap in the net worth between young people just coming out of college and old people, who have had a lifetime to accumulate. And part of it he's saying is because of this evil student loans. Well, just as a reminder to anybody with student loans out there, it's important to not do your own analysis of your purchasing power, because we cannot, in the mortgage lending industry, just use that little itty-bitty minimum payment that you're making. I think it was, do you remember, was it 35% of people or some decent percentage of people
are on the income-based repayment plan?
Yes, the income-based, which means your monthly student loan payment is not enough to even cover the interest.
Yeah.
It's negatively amortizing.
Yes.
So lenders got smart to that about 2 years ago, and now the rule is if you're on that itsy-bitsy little income payment plan, we can't use that to qualify you. We have to use 1% of the outstanding student loan balance as a monthly payment. So if you got $20,000 outstanding, we have to use $200 to qualify.
And it's because we have to make sure that when you do start paying back on that student loan, that it doesn't blow up your budget along with your new house payment.
That's right. So that's why we have to do that. But the National Association of Realtors is doing kind of a cool thing. They're lobbying, and I forget if it's in the House or the Senate, trying to get a bill passed that would allow students who have federal student loan debt to refi. Because did you know, Eric, you cannot refi your student loan?
Why not?
Because it's the way
Congress makes too much interest.
Maybe that, I don't know. Because so if you got that loan, 6 years ago and it's at 8%, you can't refi unless you go to one of these non-federal government lenders.
Yeah.
So maybe that'll help people at least tamp down their interest rates, and that'll help them buy more house.